As a teacher, one of the things that I really like about Magma Maths is the built-in help queue. Now, if you're in a traditional classroom doing a maths exercise and a child is stuck or confused, there's a fair chance they'll put their hand up to ask for help. But also there's a fair chance that they just won't because they might be embarrassed or they might find it awkward. With Magma, they completely remove this barrier with a digital help queue, and it's super easy for the teacher and the student to use. So here I am as the teacher just on the heat map, watching my students work through this assignment, and I can see there that one of my students is getting a little bit stuck on this particular question. Now, obviously I can tap onto this and see what's going on in real time, but actually when you've got 30 children on the go, you may not pick up on it straight away. But look, on the top toolbar there, a notification has just come in. This is the help queue, and when you tap on there, you're going to see that Callum, in this case, needs some help. I can press show, and it will jump straight to the question that Callum is working on, and of course I can go back and see his previous solutions as well. Now at this point it might be that lots of the class are getting stuck on the same question, so I might model it to the whole class, or I might want to go and see Callum in the classroom and take my iPad, and when I get there I can simply tap on solve, and then I can model it to him one-to-one. When I'm done, he can either clear the help queue himself, or I can simply tap back onto that button again and press the little box next to his name to remove him from the list. So from the teacher's perspective, it's really easy to see who needs some help and to know how to go and support them using the Magma tools. But from the student's perspective, it's really simple and really discreet to ask for help. So here I've got a different student working on a different question, and you can see there's that help icon in the top left-hand corner above the question. Tapping on here the first time will bring up Lava, the AI assistant, in case that can offer some support first. And if the student wants to, they can interact with Lava and ask for a hint down there. Of course, that might help get rid of that block they've come up against, or they might still want some help from their teacher, in which case they can simply tap on the help queue here. Just like that, they can see how many children are in the queue ahead of them. In this case, there's no one else there, and then the teacher can come and support them as soon as they can. So whilst it's a very simple feature to use, I can really imagine a whole lot of students that I teach finding this a far easier way to ask for some help and some support. And then for me as the teacher, I can direct my time to the children that need it there and then in that lesson. And I think that's pretty great.